Is it time to buy or sell Fannie Mae stock? In this video, we will explore Fannie Mae in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Fannie Mae as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.65. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 68.44% since we first identified Fannie Mae as a buy candidate just 16 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.28% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This positioning often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line, currently at $11.51, would initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 26.07% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 23.41% to 34.6%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 200.77%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 56.49% to 220.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $16.87 and $34.54. Our latest daily update for Fannie Mae includes the headline, High Volatility in Fannie Mae Stock Price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $10.78. The Fannie Mae stock price gained 2.18% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, rising from $10.55 to $10.78. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 19.92%, with a day low at $10.34 and a day high of $12.40. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 61.38% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $95.81 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $12.40, while the lowest price was $1.02. Currently, the price is 13.06%, or $1.62, below the 52-week high of $12.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding Fannie Mae, or FNMA, suggest a pivotal moment for the mortgage giant. Former Ginnie Mae Chief Operating Officer Michael Bright emphasized the need for congressional involvement in the potential privatization of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, highlighting regulatory challenges ahead. On a more technological front, Fannie Mae has launched an artificial intelligence-powered partnership with Palantir aimed at enhancing fraud detection in the mortgage sector. This innovative approach, which promises quicker identification of fraud, could bolster Fannie Mae's operational efficiency and ultimately save millions of dollars. The Federal Housing Finance Agency's Bill Pulte indicated that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac could hold a future value in the trillions of dollars, particularly in light of President Trump's assertions that the government will maintain oversight during any spin-off process. The prospect of privatization may significantly impact FNMA's stock price, both in the short and long term. Initially, any clear movement towards privatization could drive the stock higher, fueled by investor speculation and optimism about the company's potential independence and value creation. However, with analysts noting that such a move could increase mortgage rates, the long-term implications remain nuanced. Additionally, as Fannie Mae's preferred shares are currently undervalued, They may present a compelling investment opportunity if conservatorship ends. The dynamics within FNMA could result in volatility as the market reacts to ongoing political and operational changes, making it crucial for investors to stay alert in this evolving landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned FNMA an underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 17th of June, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush again gave FNMA an underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 26th of February, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Briette, and Woods assigned FNMA an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Fannie Mae stock a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Fannie Mae. The Fannie Mae stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, some support is expected at the levels of $9.37 and $6.93. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, potentially affecting short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 5.36% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 156 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 146 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fannie Mae. Fannie Mae finds support from accumulated volume at $10.55. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.06 between its high and low, representing a change of nearly 20%. Throughout the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 16.3%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Fannie Mae, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of July, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fannie Mae. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fannie Mae is at $11. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Fannie Mae encounters its first support level at $10.55. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Fannie Mae from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of May, 2025, Stuckey Michael conducted an insider purchase of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of May, 2025, Stuckey Michael conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Bisai Eric conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares, as there were no securities beneficially owned. On the 14th of April, 2025, Malik Omid conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares, as there were no securities beneficially owned. On the 2nd of April, 2025, Roscoe John Michael conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares, as there were no securities beneficially owned. Based on the 53 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 0.011. In total, insiders purchased 8,024 shares and sold 77,272 shares in the last 53 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.22, which reflects a decrease of 5.16%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, which greatly amplifies the risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top observed 3 days ago. Is Fannie Mae stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that this may be a good opportunity to buy, as there is a reasonable chance for Fannie Mae stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate that Fannie Mae will open higher by approximately 39 cents, starting the trading session at $11.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.